Go.
The table below shows the number of stickers owned by 3 students. The students are listed here, Lily, Allie, and Haley, and the number of stickers are listed to the right of them. Which of the following correctly compares the number of stickers owned by the students? So when we set up our main idea, we are looking in the last sentence, we are trying to correctly compare the number of stickers owned by the students. They weren't specific, so that probably means that we need all of them. So I am trying to compare, not compare as in subtract, but compare as in greater than, less than, or equal to in value. So Lily had 2,428 stickers. Allie had 2,362 stickers. And Haley had 2,367 stickers. So this helps me, what I tell my students is called stack them up. If you stack the numbers one on top of another, you can see the place value lining up. That will give a good insight on what digit is in what place value. So all 3 of these numbers go up to the 1,000s. So now, it just says correctly compares. It doesn't say greater than or less than, so we have to figure that out. Okay, so I know that there's 3 numbers, so I'm going to do least to greatest, because that's the easiest. So I'm going to put line 1, comma, line 2, comma, and line 3, because I know I need to have all 3 numbers. Now, I always start in the highest place value, which is the 1,000s. If you notice, there's a 2 in all of them. If the numbers are equal in the place value, you need to move to the right. So now I would be looking at the 4 in the hundreds, the 3 in the hundreds, and the next 3 in the hundreds. Well, since I'm doing least to greatest, I would know that the digit of 3 in the hundreds is less than the digit of 4. So I'm going to put my finger here so I don't have to see this. And now I'm going to compare these. Digit is in the same in the 1,000s. Digit is the same in the hundreds. Let's move next door again. You notice you're in the tens place. The digit is the same. 6 in the tens is worth 60. So you have to move next door. You have a 2 in the ones and a 7 in the ones. 2 ones is less than 7 ones. So this is going to be my least number, or my number 1 number. So I'm going to put 2,362, and that's going to be Allie. Now I can cross her out lightly since I've used her. Okay, which automatically makes the next number, 2,367, Haley's number, second in line. Now I take my finger off, and I see that this is 2,428. That's the greatest number of stickers. And that is Lily. Now that I have them in order, I can see them from least to greatest, or if I need to go backwards, I can see them from greatest to least. I have the girl's number and her number of stickers for each one. So let's compare the answer choices. What I would do is I would put my finger here and I would read the first 2 first. 2,362 is greater than 2,428. Well, if you look at this, they have a 3 in the hundreds and a 4 in the hundreds. This is saying 3 in the hundreds is greater than 4 in the hundreds. That is not true. I can automatically cross that answer choice out. Now I'm going to look at the next one. 2,428 is less than 2,367. Well, once again, 4 in the hundreds, 3 in the hundreds. I don't think that 4 in the hundreds is less than 3 in the hundreds, so that comparison sign is incorrect. Answer choice C. Cover up the last one. 2,362 is less than 2,428. Well, 3 in the hundreds, 4 in the hundreds. Yes, 3 hundreds is less than 4 hundreds. Now, I'm going to do 2,428 is less than 2,367? No. Cover it up. 2,428 is greater than 2,367? Yes. Cover this one up. 2,367 is greater than 2,362. Well, yes, 67 is greater than 62, so this is my answer that makes sense.